All right, thank you for checking out my YouTube video. And I just got done checking out the fireworks in downtown Detroit that just happened over there. So in the description, I'm gonna put 2 links to the fireworks. And I really want everybody to check them out because it's a good time. And you're gonna see some nice fireworks. But anyways, I just wanted to do a night video. So if you want to see Detroit on a Monday night after the fireworks, I parked about 15 minutes away. Got a lot of nice, let me know, see some nice rides. This is 4th Street right here if you're familiar with Detroit, but this is a main street. But like I was saying before, I just got done checking out the fireworks, so check out the link in the description section. We'll just keep walking. The Wayne County Community College over here. A lot of people drinking and stuff. See, I think on the other side, move a little bit faster. But yeah, you can see that there's a lot of people out here. Normally there'd be nobody out here because it's like a Monday night. We'll see what we can find. I parked about 15 minutes away. This big building right here, that's the main post office for the city of Detroit. Nice day, 73 degrees. It's about 10:30 p.m., 10:40. It's interesting to see all these people out on a Monday night. But this is what Detroit's all about. And you know, like, it's June 24th, and this is the beginning of the summer season in Detroit. And summer, there's a lot going on in the city. So it's like the beginning of it. Yep, that's the main post office for the city. Yeah, for sure.
Amazing, very amazing.
Yeah.
From last 64 years.
Have a good night.
You too, man.
Yep. See you YouTube.
What's your YouTube channel?
Just look up Fred Maples. Fred Maples. Okay. So you enjoy the fireworks?
Oh yes, sir. Amazing. The traffic was horrible. So we parked over there and we ran for 1.5 miles.
Oh, really?
That's the fireworks.
Yeah. Maybe Fred Maples, because I see there's a space.
Because of the network, maybe?
Could be. But you'll find it if you hit Fred Maples. Thank you. Yep. But see, a lot of people are into the YouTube thing. But anyways, you see all these people out here, and you see all the people over there. And see, once in a while, I'll have somebody stop me like that. But I like talking to people like that because you never know, you know. He wants to start his own YouTube channel. This may inspire him, you know. So I don't mind talking to people. But anyways, you got all these people over here. A lot of different nationalities coming to the city too. See, that's Trumbull right there. That's it.
You got it?
Let me show you. That's my YouTube channel.
Subscribe, man.
All right.
Subscribe, everybody.
Yeah, I take videos all the time, all over Detroit. Yep. Yep. See? And you want to know something? You never know who's going to be your supporters. There's a lot of people I know in my personal life. They know I have a YouTube, but they're not subscribing. And that guy might be a big supporter of mine. So that's, you know, something I've learned doing this channel. You can't really focus on what other people around you at that time are saying about your YouTube channel when you got 0 subscribers. if that's something you want to do, you just keep doing it, you know? And eventually it'll all come together. You know, I found a couple of my friends from high school doing this YouTube, a couple opportunities with photography. So it's been good. You see all these people out here. We're gonna eventually end up crossing the street over here. That was nice though. And you see all the traffic. This would all be really empty right here. The Salvation Army is across the street. All across the street this way. A building fire happened maybe last year over there. Whole building fell gone. I'm pretty sure it was abandoned. It was an abandoned bar. And you see, you know, you got the police right here, police right here. So very safe. Yeah, I really appreciate the support on the YouTube channel. I plan on keeping going. And Detroit's got a lot going on to it. And I do travel around Michigan and really wherever I go. I do my best to do a video, try to really think of something to do a video about. That's a nice mural over there. Yeah, that's a nice mural. A graffiti artist named Syntex. S-I-N-T-E-X. He's a really good graffiti artist in Detroit. He did that mural. We're gonna keep on walking. Yep, the Salvation Army's right here. Some people, you can live over here. That's very cool though. I'm gonna remember that guy. I do my best to show as much of Detroit as I can. And eventually, you know, I use my iPhone and I also use a Canon camera to do some of my videos. But you know, as my journey, you know, as I go along in the YouTube thing, I'll eventually get better at editing. And you know, also too, I want to get better at, I was thinking about doing like interviews and stuff like that with people in a city, you know what I mean? I had to kind of, I don't think they would like to, sometimes people don't like to be filmed. That's why I kind of got silent a little right there. But anyways, like I was saying before, I was thinking about doing like interviews with people and, you know, just, I'm always thinking about things, different things to do with the YouTube, not just showing different sides of the city. You know, maybe, you know, finding certain people in the city, doing interviews, and just, yeah, you never know. But I plan on being on YouTube for years, and I don't think YouTube's gonna go anywhere anytime soon. And you know, you got a lot of traffic over here. I parked right over there. So you got all the police over here. Oh, this is a new walkway down here that they just built. And it goes across. This is 4th Street, by the way, and it goes all the way down. We're gonna end this video up at the light. Keep walking. But I really appreciate all the support on YouTube. And I really wanna thank you for taking the time to check out this video. And if you stayed with me all the way to the end, be sure to look in the description section. There's gonna be a minute video and then like a 4-minute video. The 4-minute video will have the end of the fireworks, and the minute video will just be like in the middle of the fireworks. So I really encourage everyone to check that out. You can see the Master Bridge in the background. Security, police all over. I've been out for the last 2 hours. I have not seen any trouble at all, not even an argument. So that just goes to show you that you can come down here and have a good time. And and I haven't heard of anything bad happening so far tonight. So with that being said, thank you for checking out my video, and take care, and thanks for all the love.